Now today, let's start with chapter number 7, our forest wealth. In this chapter, I will tell you about the uses of forest, what are the types of forest and conservation of forest and wildlife. Let's start with the chapters. जो large area where we grow, where trees are grown very close to one another, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं forest. Now, जो हमारा forest area है वो 22% है total area of the country. There is not enough that spread in the Himalaya, the Western Ghats, Northeastern Himalaya, Sundarban, Tarai and Highland. Now, what are the uses of forest? Forests are useful for a number of things and for daily use and industry. Some of them are timber, fuel wood, pulp, resin, honey. Black gum, cane, grasses और कुछ medicinal herb है. Timber का use करा जाता है for building house and making furniture. Tool and agriculture implements और जो pulp होता है from snout wood is used for making paint. यहाँ पे many other uses है forest के. They cause rainfall and to check soil erosion. They control floods. Forests freshen up the air and they make climate cool and pleasing. Forests are home of many wonderful animals and birds and they attract tourists far and near. Now, types of forest, we have different types of forest. We have evergreen forest or tropical rainforest. The forest which remains green throughout the year are called evergreen forest. They are mainly found in the Western Ghats and Northeast India. And they are 50 to 60 meter tall. They are very close that even the rays of sun barely pass through them. Like your rosewood, your mahogany or ebony. These are the evergreen tree. Then we have deciduous or monsoon tree. जो monsoon के उसमें होते हैं ठीक है the beginning of summer the trees are found in monsoon area. The forests are also known as monsoon type forest. The common trees are teak, sal, sisam or sandal. If we talk about in our country, they cover more area than evergreen forest. Then we have thorny shrubs or आपके dry forest, ये आपको desert area में देखने को मिलते हैं. In the part of Rajasthan, they are mostly found in northwestern part also, like your babool kikam. ये कुछ common things हैं which are found in the desert area. Then we have tidal forest or mangrove forest. The forest found near the sea, in the large belts of the river. The trees on the delta have roots covered by salt water at high tide, and delta of Ganga forest are called Sundarban because here we have Sundarai tree and the wood of these trees are used to make boat. हम इससे क्या बनाते हैं boats बनाते हैं. Mountain and alpine forest ये 15 मीटर हाइट के होते हैं. They are spread over large area. ये आपको बहुत लंबे दिखाई देते हैं. Like we have here, you can see. Here you will see thorny forest. जो राजस्थान वाला एरिया डेजर्ट एरिया यहाँ पे हमें thorny forest दिखाई देते हैं. Right? This is the part where you will see evergreen forest. Plain area में ज्यादातर आपको evergreen forest देखने को मिलते हैं. ठीक है और आप पे कुछ नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट में here we find deciduous forest and like you can see here thorny forest, Sundarbans and these are cornicles. इनके cones होते हैं. इनके cones होते हैं वो forest आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं? Basically they are found in Himalayan region. Right? They have soft wood और like चीर और deodar और pine भी हो सकता है. जो इनका wood है वो हम use करते हैं as a timber, furniture and for packing. Then conservation of forest. How we can conserve a forest? जो forest area considered is at least 30% of its total area and it has reduced to 22%. And why it has reduced? Because of our carelessness. जो growing population and poverty are the main cause for cutting down of trees. People always need timber and other forest products. Therefore, the necessary to plant new trees on large scale. That is why on the day of Wan Mahotsav, क्या होता है? Large number of trees को plant करा जाता है. For social forestry movement जो encourage करते citizens को to plant more trees, आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाइए. Then for every child a tree is another program. This child is required to plant and look after the tree. आप tree को plant करें और उसको देखें. In 1970, a organized resistance हुआ था to the destruction of forests. That is Chipko movement. The name that has come from the world imbalance as a village hugged the trees and prevented the contractors from felling them. ऐसे लोगों ने हक करा ट्री को और वो इंकरेज कर रहे थे जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर थे कि आप इनको काटे. Then we have wildlife. Animals are the part and the parcel of Indian forest. Elephant, rhino, tiger, deer. They are found in forest of northeastern India. Deciduous forest, they give shelter to. ये किसको देते हैं? टाइगर, लेपर्ड्स, बियर, वाइल्ड बफेलो. गिर फॉरेस्ट इन गुजरात किसके लिए फेमस है? लायंस के लिए. सुंदरबन, होम ऑफ बंगाल टाइगर. Crocodiles and tortoise are found in many Indian rivers. Large variety of fish, bird, reptile, जैसे आपका स्नेक हो गया, पाइथन्स हो गया, कोबरा हो गया, ये सब आपको इंडिया में देखने को मिलते हैं. Efforts to preserve wildlife. We have done many efforts to preserve wildlife. Like our country is rich in wildlife. Many foreign tourists visit our country only to see wonderful wildlife. To preserve this valuable gift of nature. अगर आपको इसको protect करना है तो Indian government, no one is allowed to hunt animal or birds living there. And they are protected forests. These protected forests are called wildlife sanctuary, and some of famous wildlife sanctuaries are Kanchenjunga, Kaziranga, कॉर्बेट जो आपको उत्तराखंड में, कान्हा नेशनल पार्क मध्य प्रदेश में, गिर गुजरात में, पेरियार आपका केरला में है और गाना जो है वो आपका राजस्थान में. Now government has been making very efforts to preserve some wildlife species like lion, tiger, rhino, peacock, bustard and others. What are these? These are the wild animals and their sanctuary. We have many national parks, bird sanctuary and tiger project like Iravikulam, Bandipur, Banerghat, Nagarjun Sagar National Park. We have different national parks. You can study from here, right? Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.